guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute U-Part wig from the brand CurlsCurls. So this is their kinky curly U-Part wig. It is in a 16-inch and it is a 3C 4A, and I did get a medium cap size. So as you guys can see, it's this nice kinky curly texture like I said, and you can see the U-Part in the middle, and we're gonna have to go ahead and cut that out. But for now, my hair is with the leave out for the U-Part, and then the rest is just braided up. So you want to leave out a little bit of your natural hair because that's going to go in the U-Part. So I went ahead and cut that, and we're going to go ahead and just place it right on my head. This makes an excellent protective style, and it's super easy. Like, it really mimics my natural hair texture. Like, it looks so real, like my kinky curly hair texture. This hair is nice and soft. It's really easy to manage, and you can just put like the same type of natural hair products that you usually use in your real hair on this wig. So it was a little loose, so I did go ahead and just bobby pin the sides just to make sure it's more secure. It wasn't fitting as tight in those sections. Like, I feel like they could have used some clips right there to make it feel more secure. So now I'm just going ahead and taking that leave out. I'm going to do a middle part. And now I need to just wet my hair because it was in braids. So that's why my texture looks like it's not curly, but you guys are going to see my curls come back to life and pop. So I'm just taking my spray bottle and wetting my hair, getting it nice and damp so that I can apply the products. But if you guys haven't known, in the past I have worked with CurlsCurls before, and their wigs are really affordable for some, natural hair that's real curly hair. So really good. So I'm just going ahead. This is such an easy install. That's what I love about U-Part wigs. If you guys have watched my channel before, y'all know I love some U-Part wigs. They're the first type of wigs I ever started off wearing because they're so easy to work with. So I'm just taking this Main Choice styling product, and I'm going to go ahead and just rake that through the wig and also rake it through my hair so that they start to blend together. So just raking that through. I did have to kind of adjust the part where the clip was a little looser on me, but no biggie. Go ahead, raking that product through, and you can see this wig just start to come to life. You can see the curls really starting to pop on this wig, and you can see my real hair starting to curl back up. Like I said, no heat damage, just needed to get those curls back popping, just needed some water and a little product, and it gets the curls going. So that was my face. I was looking like, oh, this wig is cute, and it's so easy to install, like super simple. Like, if you need to go somewhere real quick, all you need to do is just put this on, take out a little bit of leave out, you're good to go. Like, you can leave this hair in for weeks. Like, just a really good protective style. So I'm just styling it to my liking, making sure I really rake it through. But you could really take your time with this wig and go section by section. You could also do a braid out with this hair, twist out. Like, you could style it in so many different ways like you do your natural hair. So I'm going ahead and just taking a little bit of edge control because I want the front to be kind of like slick looking. And then I'm also going to be laying my baby hairs with that as well. And what I ended up doing too, like after this video, I tucked the sides of my hair behind my ear because I kind of like that look. So yeah, that was pretty much it. But I'm going to have all the information about this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys do check out CurlsCurls because love this wig. And the wig cap was super comfortable since I got a medium. Sometimes I get a small and they'll be too tight, but this was super comfortable. So after I lay those edges down, it's looking good. Like, it looks so real. Like, I love this hair. Looks amazing. So make sure you guys check out CurlsCurls. Like I said, all the information will be linked in the description box below. This is their kinky curly U-Part wig in 16 inches. And yeah, I'm in love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. You guys know I will see you guys in my next video. Work, girl. This wig is bomb. So bomb, so natural looking. Alright, guys. Little texture shot. Okay, bye, guys.